Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I am applying my nails and prepping them with my non-dominant hand. So we're applying nails onto my dominant hand today. We're really going to take our time with this one. First, I'm going in with my 100/180 grit file, and I am just lightly roughing up the surface of my entire nail beds. For this part, I'm just going over the nail and taking my time, looking at it to make sure that I've removed all shine. Once we're done roughing up the surface of the nail with the file, I'm just dusting away any nail dust that I have on my fingers, on the desk, and on my glove. I'm going to be taking one of my alcohol wipes. Again, these are from Target. I absolutely love these. They don't leave any residue or lint behind. And I'm just really getting in there and wiping off each of the nails, getting all around the cuticle, just making sure that there is no nail dust left. The nail tips that I'm going to be using today are the Apres Gel X Sculpted Stilettos in the long length. Here I'm just sizing each of the nails to my nail bed to ensure that the nail is not too tight, because then it'll pop off, and that it's also not too big because that can also cause early lifting, so the nail sets won't last. With doing your dominant hand, it is very important that you take your time, so that's what we're doing today. I'm also going to go in with my dehydrator from Model Ones, and I'm going to apply that all over my natural nail beds. I'm also going to be taking that same Model 1's dehydrator to prep the inside of the Gel X right at the base, and this is going to just rough up the inside of the nail so that, again, we can avoid using a drill if it's not needed. For my extend gel, I'm going to be going in with the Gel Soft Tip Extend Gel by Creation. I clearly need a new bottle because I'm leaning this to the side to get out every last bit of this extend gel. It's so good, guys. Once I'm able to find a link, I will make sure to provide that for you guys, but I'm still on the hunt. Here I am just applying a bit of that extend gel to the base of the Gel X nail, and I'm not applying too much, making sure to scrape off any additional product that's left over on the brush onto the inside of that nail tip. Here I like to get the light ready, especially with dealing with my dominant hand, and like I usually do, I like to place that nail tip down, pressing it towards the cuticle and then allowing that glue to flow forward. Take your time with the nail placement, make sure that it is straight. Again, I do my dominant hand a lot, but at the same time, I'm much quicker with doing my non-dominant hand. So we are really taking our time to apply these nails today. And again, the process is very similar with the application as it is to when I do my non-dominant hand, but we just really want to take our time, and we definitely are more so going in without the drill and doing hand filing just to not over drill at our nails. After applying all of the nail tips, we're just going to go ahead and cure our hand in the big lamp for 60 seconds. Of course, I'm going in with my favorite ball drill bit so that I can clean up the cuticles of my dominant hand. But we just want to really take our time, again, because the drill does feel a bit weird in my opposite hand. So I'm using my nail dust collector and resting my hand on top of that so that I can get into a secure position so that I'm able to go around the cuticles with this ball drill bit. Next, I'm going in with my sponge file so that I can rough up the surface of the nail, prepping it before we apply any gel polish and removing all shine. then I'm going in with my nail file just so that I can really clean up that shape. I feel like sometimes the shapes are a bit different, especially between the regular nails and the pinky, so I just want to make sure that I clean that up as much as possible before going in with my polishes. And I'm taking another alcohol wipe and cleaning off the nails, removing all dust and anything that's left behind, making sure that we don't have any sticky gel adhesive hanging under the free edge of the nail. So just really going in and cleaning up the nails as best as possible. And this is how I apply nails to my dominant hand using my non-dominant hand. I will also be applying a layer of base coat by Model 1s. When it comes to applying polish to your dominant hand, I like to start halfway and paint towards the edge of the nail, and then I will work my way back to the cuticles, making sure to really take my time. I'll do the outer, inner, and then the other outer part, just because you don't want to flood the cuticles. You don't want to have a lot of gel polish, base coat, and more just resting on your skin. So just really take your time when it comes to polishing your nails. I'm curing that base coat for 30 seconds. And we're going in with one of my absolute favorite gel polishes. This is Sharing the City by D&D. So pretty. And I will be applying one coat of this to all of my nails and curing it for 60 seconds. And we're going to follow that up with one coat of the D&D top coat. That is my tried and true. You guys see how beat up and used this bottle looks. It's so good. So we're going to apply one layer of that, cure it for 60 seconds, and we are all done. And that is how you can apply nails to your dominant hand. It doesn't take a lot of filing, drilling, or anything like that. Just take your time and you'll be able to achieve exactly what it is you're looking for. If you guys want to see more and see exactly how I apply my designs to the nails, that is going to take some time because filming that will be so time consuming, but I'm definitely willing to do that for you guys. Just let me know and we'll definitely make that happen. Thank you again so much for watching, and I think there's just a few more seconds left. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.